Hi! Welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we had made a security system using Arduino Uno. Well, today I am gonna do the same projects with real things. Stay tuned till the end of this video. As you all know from my previous video, we will be using an Arduino Uno to make this project. I have soldered the battery connector to the backside of 5V and GND of the Arduino. The 5V is just like positive terminal and GND is just like negative terminal. So, I have connected the negative terminal of the battery connector to GND, and positive terminal of the battery to 5V of the Arduino. Next we will need a buzzer. I have just connected a jumper wire to the positive and negative terminal of the buzzer. So, if we want to connect the buzzer to the Arduino, it might be easier for us to connect. Next, the main thing. The ultrasonic sensor. Forward by, we will be needing a USB cable to upload the code from your laptop, and some male to female jumper wires to connect the sensor to the Arduino. And finally we need a battery to make this project come to life. Now, time for the connections. Just like my last video, let's connect the VCC pin to the 5V of the Arduino, and GND pin to the GND pin of the Arduino, then connect the echo pin to pin number 3 of the Arduino, and trig pin of the sensor to pin number 2 of the Arduino. Next, let's connect the buzzer. These are the positive and negative terminal of the buzzer, which I have connected with a jumper wire. Connect the positive terminal of the buzzer to pin number 4 of the Arduino. And connect the negative terminal of the buzzer to GND of the Arduino. Okay, let's test it out. I have just sticked the components to a cardboard surface and created a hole to put the ultrasonic sensor. It worked! If you have any doubt regarding this project, then comment to this video and I'll clear your doubt as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.